me ready to start them number 3 half lo Trenem Tingting Kos ya now. You may go through lo part 1 or part 2 finish mo hope say or participant or the survey finish every something where you may go through lo hem. More now you may come back. Blah add them up small more some new for something. Be do blah practice more something where you may tell him out finish where you may teach him finish. So I got one page lo start blow book where tell him one where you may teach him lo part 3 blow Trenem Tingting Kos. So good bro you look something here read him more you survey. So we got so semi tell him or something where you go finish lo Duvlan Alpha half lo course where you may make him finish more two you may really focus a little bit lo course ya lo olima save or fasten where suppose you may make him but you may cast him wrong meaning or one lasting thing where no straight so or danger or something where might you may go to him more by you got problem now. Or two olima save one more something where you may must make him blow check him all information. So it could blow show him longfla chart here picture where he show him out all steps blow think about scale him more walk him out more inside law scale him he got one half for him where he talk about how now you check him all information. So you may make him some finish but you may add him up one more back again law course here where he may tell him say information he must true. So how blow check him say information where you may got he may true or he no true. I'll have one more lesson where you may add them up law course here and may blow you may want them all get all this survey good fasten blow write them question blow one passage where he give on law all man blow cast him straight meaning blow passage here. So suppose you want to write in one Bible study or you want to talk about within one group or Sunday school lesson you want them some question where teacher is ask him all picking now by you ask him one in question by you may walk him out all question all same one him so you got lesson blow him law course here.